In this inspiring video, we will show you 4 polymerase chain reaction diagnostic tests that proves the Scalar Energy Pathogenic Cleanse serves to disassemble and eradicate viruses and bacteria. Scalar Light is a quantum healing modality that imparts perfect intelligence to every cell of our bodies by providing corrective intelligence and instructions to our DNA. This corrective intelligence is vital to the health and healing of the human body. This simple and painless process utilizes natural scalar light to negate the light signature of molecular bonds that hold together germs. As a result, the germ breaks apart and no longer poses a threat to human health. Once the molecular and atomic structure of a pathogen has been broken apart, that infectious agent ceases to exist, as it has been reduced to smaller, harmless physical forms such as carbon, calcium, sodium, iron, among other primary forms that compose the body matter. Tom Paladino is a humanitarian and scalar energy researcher who has developed scalar energy instruments addressing many issues that humanity faces around the world. One of the programs he offers is called the Scalar Energy Pathogenic Cleanse that serves to transmute a virus into harmless, smaller fragments of nucleotides and viral particles. Over the years, Tom has received testimonials from many excited people who have experienced the Scalar Energy Pathogenic Cleanse. They were so amazed at the results and wanted to help spread the word, so they sent in their PCR tests to prove the ability of the Scalar Energy Pathogenic Cleanse to disassemble and eradicate viruses. Polymerase chain reaction tests, or PCR tests, have been utilized to detect either the presence or absence of nucleic acid of a virus, and many consider this to be the gold standard for diagnostic testing. This first testimony is from a woman who suffered for 40 years of chronic infection of the herpes simplex virus and the Epstein-Barr virus. Hello, Tom. I could hardly believe that viruses could be eradicated with scalar energy healing. But when I recently received the results from my PCR test, I was so happy and relieved that I no longer have the herpes of EPV in my system. I have suffered for over 40 years with these 2 viruses and am now well on my way to regaining full health. Thank you, Tom, for your outstanding work for humanity. Blessings. With the Scalar Energy Pathogenic Cleanse, the body repairs and recovers from the viral infection. Thereafter, the symptoms gradually abate. This next testimony is from a man that suffered from parasites for over 8 years.
Dear Tom, for the past 8 years, I've been struggling with a parasite problem. And when I've managed to kill off the parasites that live under my skin, their inner flora composed of bacteria and fungus invades my skin. Now what you're looking at here is the Candida of the die-off of the parasites. I've been living with this actually for 2 years. And I've tried many different alternative therapies and nothing worked. As you may know, allopathic medicine usually helps with this problem, but it may damage your liver as well. So I didn't use that route. The first week I tried your scalar technology, I began feeling and seeing changes. I started off with your 15-day free trial, then purchased the 1-month scalar session. But by the end of the first month, I was so impressed that I had to get your 1-year program for 2 people. Every month, the skin discoloration is lighter, and now it's barely noticeable. I'm sure in a couple of months, it will look as if nothing happened.
Scalar energy negates the molecular bonds of pathogens, thereby eradicating infectious agents from the body. This next testimony is from a man from India that suffered from the HIV virus for 13 years.
I am HIV positive from 13 years. I am also the founder-president of Om Prakash Network of people living with HIV/AIDS, OPNP, a community-based organization working in Delhi, India. 6,500 infected people have associated with our organization in Delhi and NCR. Around 50 people started Scalar Energy with me. When I started Scalar Energy treatment, a year ago my viral load was 38,000, but now recently I have checked my viral load and it's come to 0. It is amazing. Even the doctor cannot believe. my CD4 count is also increasing. We are requesting all our clients to go for the viral test. We hope all who are taking Scalar Energy test will have a good result.
The Scalar Light pathogenic cleanse negates the molecular bonds of the HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus, thereby causing the infectious agent to cease to exist. Subsequently, healing takes place as the body recovers from HIV viral infection. This next testimony is from a woman that suffered from Epstein-Barr virus infection for over 15 years. Hi, Tom. I had Epstein-Barr for over 15 years and also experienced chronic fatigue, parasites, heavy metals, and acne. Since beginning Scalar Energy treatments, I felt an immediate shift energetically and physically. My mind is much clearer, I have increased energy, and my acne has been healed. I can sense that my body is still healing, and I'm so happy that I can stay on the treatment indefinitely. After trying many holistic and alternative treatments, this has been the most profound and gentle. The Scalar Light pathogenic cleanse negates the molecular bonds of the Epstein-Barr virus, thereby causing this infectious agent to cease to exist. It is pertinent to note that the fragments of the virus temporarily remain inside the body after the Scalar Energy pathogenic cleanse has been administered, but once a virus is disassembled, it ceases to exist as an infectious agent. Over a little time, the fragments of nucleotides and viral particles do get eliminated from the body or metabolized and reduced in size. To find out more about the Scalar Energy pathogenic cleanse, visit our website at scalarlight.com. May God grant you excellent health.